Hey everybody! Oh, I need to do my lights in the background. Hang on. Oh, that's better. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have an unboxing video. This is a subscription box. It is my latest in beauty subscription box. So this month, I feel like we've been really spoiled by Latest in Beauty because we had their Style Awards box which they launched, which I will link above, which I unboxed, which was just amazing, and I was so impressed with it. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet and I'm gonna go for a bigger selection this month. Normally for my Latest in Beauty I do 3 items, which comes to £9. This month I did 6. I was very naughty, which I think was £15 a month, so not too bad. But there was a particular item that I knew that somebody else had got, that I was talking to on Instagram, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I hope this appears in the edit. And it did, and I got it, and a few other things which I wasn't really bothered about, but I just definitely wanted that product. So when it arrives, there's always a little card inside that says something. This says La ville est belle. Not sure what that means in French, but there you go. And it's got pink tissue paper, which I'm just going to pull out the way. And unfortunately, yes, I got crisps. These ones are the same ones that they've been having for like 3 or 4 weeks now, or well, they had them last month and the month before, and these are the pop chips, but this time I got sea salt. So yeah, really looking forward to trying those. Would have preferred the Lindor chocolates, not gonna lie. Not that I need any more chocolate in my life right now. I'm meant to be stopping the chocolate, so don't encourage me. There's also a couple of leaflets, 15% off a meal and £30 off Gusto. So let's dive right in. The first product that I got was this Max Factor bronzer. Summer is here and I fully intend to bronze up for summer. And this looked pretty good. It's a baked bronzer. I just want to try and open it. There we go. So that's what it look like. Oh, it's a nice creamy pale formula, not too dark. I think that's going to be brilliant for me. Yeah, really, really nice. Really happy with that. Next, for my little bronzer, I got myself a little brush. So this is the number 10 UrbanBeautyUnited.com Screen Preme powder brush. So I thought this would be perfect for the little bronzer. I'm just going to pull it out. Ooh. Oh, it's not as soft as I thought it was going to be, and it's a little bit squished. And we've got hairs all kind of going off in directions. Yeah, I think it's kind of flat. Maybe it's kind of more like that way that you're meant to do it rather than that way. That'd be quite good for contouring if you had a bigger face than mine. Okay, it's interesting though. I do like the colour. I'm going to give it a go and see how I get on with it. It doesn't feel too bad. It's quite firm. Next, they had some really good size meal products. So this is a gentle formula that's dermatologically tested, pH balanced and free from parabens, sulfates and mineral oils, and suitable for vegetarians and vegans. And this is a Radiant Dawn exfoliating day wash. So deep cleanses pores and exfoliates for clear, radiant skin. And it's a 100% soap free. So that's cool. And this was the Janie Love's 2017 Platinum Award Gold. So it won some sort of award. So that I thought was a really, really good size. It's 150 mils. Yeah, and it's just basically a morning face wash. So yeah, gentle foaming gel wash with natural blueberry seeds to help unblock pores, lift away dead skin, dirt and oil. Has green apple and lemon as well. Oh, I'm gonna have to whiff this because this is gonna smell good. Oh, I can definitely smell. Oh, it's like a gel. And it's got gritty bits in it. Gritty. Probably shouldn't have done this right now because I don't have a cloth by me. Oh, it does smell nice. I like it. Yes. This is what you need for summer, especially if you're, you know, wanting that kind of fresh, brightened skin look. You know, like you've just kind of been on the beach all day and you're all sun-kissed and beautiful. Yeah, really happy with that, definitely. I'll use it and see how we get on. It's the kind of thing that you maybe use every other day. Oh, it feels, oh, it's quite, oh, yes, 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 I like this. Oh, it feels really nice on the skin. It's like, I don't know, like fresh. It feels fresh. I look weird. Okay, and then next I got a mask. So this is also by Emile and it's Naturally Kind Spring Clean Deep Cleansing Mask. Well, it is spring and there's nothing wrong with having a spring clean. Purifies pores, combats oiliness and blemishes. Yeah, just sounded really nice. And this is also 100 ml, so it's a really, really good size. So it says on the back, put a thin layer over your face, avoiding the skin around the eyes. Relax and allow to dry for up to 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water and apply twice a week. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that. Okay, next is a product which I didn't really want, but actually apparently these are really expensive, and this is a Balm. So this is basically a lip balm and it's in lemon and black pepper. I'm going to open it up because it's a bit posh in this box if you ask me. Ingredients, lots of ingredients, made in Bali, Indonesia. Expires December 2019. Oh, so that's good. It's got a nice lifespan on it. Can I open it up? No. No, I can't. I need some scissors. So they had loads and loads of different flavours of this one, and unfortunately by the time I went to make my selection, most of them had gone. So I was just left with the lemon and black pepper. Oh, it looks cute. I like the little box it comes in. It feels very expensive. Apparently they're like £19 each, somebody said to me. I don't really use a lot of lip balms because, oh yeah, it's one of those ones that's like, there we go, that's the, there it is. Okay, I'm just gonna move down the arm slightly because I've got lipstick on. Oh, it feels quite a firm formula. Oh, there we are. Yes, it's quite a solid balm, absolutely. Just gonna rub some of this. Oh, yes, smells like lockets. Like really strong, or lemon drops. You know, like sherbet lemons? Yeah. Somewhere between honey lozenges and lemon drops, like sherbet lemon drops. Okay, well, we'll give it a go. I mean, I don't tend to get on with these because they tend to, I find that lip balms tend to dry my lips out more than not using them. So we will see. I do tend to get some sort of drier lips in the summer. I can't smell the black pepper. I'm still holding the plastic. Yeah, I can't smell the black pepper, but we will see. I think the box is really nice. I do like the packaging. I just don't get the black pepper, so we will see. It just smells like lemon. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And last but not least is the product that I'm most excited about. So this is, oh my gosh, I can't believe I've got my hands on one of these. It does have a short shelf life and they did advertise that on the website, but this is the Paula's Choice Skincare Clinical Retinol 1% treatment. Now I have seen so many people rave about this. I have tried the ordinary version of the retinol and it didn't do much for me, so I'm very excited to try this. Paula's Choice Clinical 1% Retinol Treatment for all skin types, peptides and vitamin C. This is a full size and it's worth like 70 quid. So yes, really, really excited. I'm gonna probably maybe do like a video diary using this to see how I got on, because I really wanted to try this but would never actually buy it for myself, and the fact that it was in Latest in Beauty this month meant that I just had to have it. Yeah, really, really excited. So obviously retinol is an active ingredient. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and should be used in moderation. And I have tried a 2% retinol, but this has got other stuff in it. Oh, I really want to use it now. I may even just go and wash all the rest of my face off and put this on, and then just soak in it for the rest of the evening. But yeah, yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna do a video diary on it for the rest of the month maybe, or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. But I will keep you posted on what or how it works. So just to recap everything that I got in the box this month, I got the Paula's Choice Retinol, I got the Balm, I got some crisps, because you need some crisps. I got the two Emile products, and the blusher, the bronzer and the brush. So I feel, oh, it's falling everywhere. I do feel that I got really good value for money this month in Latest in Beauty. I feel like they really have upped their game this month. It's been a really good month for them and for me and my makeup drawer. Yes. Anyway guys, that is everything from me. If you like these types of videos, I do lots and lots of subscription boxes. I will link them all around me. And yeah, I just hope you're having a good day, that you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all later. Bye.